how do I apply a perfect winged eyeliner. What's up you guys, welcome back to another episode, another video. And today, I don't know if you have guessed it or no, by the title I think you have guessed it. Anyways, I had to do a video and shout out to her. This girl actually motivated me to do a live video like this one. I was just like you guys, just like you girls, watching thousands of videos on winged eyeliner, but I know for a fact that all those videos are so complicated with all the tapes, this and that, and being a no makeup person, I just usually do this kind of makeup, like the usual daily wear kind of stuff, and doing all the tapes and everything is sounds too complicated for me, and I am not meant for complicated things anyways. So I hope I can teach you that too. I can't show you guys this because obviously this is gone. So this is Color Bars eyeliner, and I like it for a fact. I don't know, but it gives you the matte effect, which I really like, not a glossy one. I usually like my eyeliners to be matte, so yeah, that's the reason. And also because of this thing, I'll just show you guys, because of its tip as well. You can see it's like angled like this, so that gives you this. First, what I usually do is I try to just put one hand here and don't drag it, just put a one hand and just I need my mirror. So yeah, if I'll do it, I don't know if you can see or no. Let me just do something with the cam. So I think we are better at this angle, so that I can watch it here and you guys can see as well. So what you need to be doing is just take a little bit amount and just don't take much of the product. Just drag yourself, drag this part, and just start and go ahead with the lines of your this line. Just take it and then just go ahead above and then just fill it. So this part is really simple, everyone knows how to do this. The problematic stuff comes when you actually reach the ending. So now can you see that I've just drawn a line and have gone broader and broader and broader and have reached here. So now what you need to be doing here is that I'll just close in a little bit. What you need to be doing here, just go ahead with the line first, make a perfect line. So now you can see this line. You need to just imaginary draw a line till here and then actually draw a line from here till here. So what here, and actually taking this this corner, this part, and doing a straight line here. Can you see that? Now this line which is already there, just join it to this and make a curve kind of a illusion. You know what, I don't know if I'm explaining you this right, but you can see actually what the hell am I doing. Look at that, you guys. It looks nice, it looks nice. So what I've done is just from this point till here I've drawn a line, and the line which was coming here, I've just merged the two. I don't know why am I stammering. So you can see the difference. Wow, it looks nice. Let me just do this one as well. I hope you can see this one as well. I think I should keep it here and do it. And actually guys, this is difficult when you are doing it with the mascara on. So you should not do it with the mascara on like myself, and do it before that. Now you can see we have reached till the end. Now again I will do the same step. Imaginary line, and you're coming to this point and a straight line. I messed it up, but yeah, for when we'll join, then the missing will become okay. Look at how easy was that. without applying any tapes or anything, you know. I like it. I'll just give you a closer look of my eyes. And I don't know if these so yeah, and that will give you your winged eyeliner, which is pretty easy and it looks fab with your makeup. So yeah, I hope this little tip of mine helped you guys, and if it did, and if any of your friends are also struggling with this, please, it takes only 5 minutes, it takes only 5 seconds, you can say, just share it with a friend on Instagram or Facebook. It really helps me a lot. And let me know in the comment section if you want anything else, any other tutorial to do for me to do for you guys. I will do that for you guys. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.